back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a how to apply lash strip tutorial. So first you just want to grab any lashes. I got these cheap ones from Walmart. They are the Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama Collection in Tulle. And I already applied a full face of makeup. So yeah, so you want to grab any lash glue. Some people want like a super strong hold. Some people use hair glue actually. So you can actually use any glue that you want. I have this one. I think I got it at Walmart or a hair store for like $6. And it's the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive in the dark tone. It's going to be the pink bottle. When you open up a new pack of lashes, sometimes you have to adjust them to the shape of your eye. Like some lashes will be too long for my eyes, so I'd have to cut them. So I'm going to show you how to cut them so that you don't cut too much, or so that you could just cut just enough. So I'm going to open up the package, take them out. So what I'm going to be doing is cutting a little bit from the beginning. And just a little bit off the ends, but I'm not going to be cutting the actual end. What I'm going to be doing is cutting this little piece right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's like that little piece that sticks out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And when you're cutting the front, you don't want to cut too much. Cut just like the beginning. Like you see that right there, like that one little section. Cut those little sections so it could fit your eye, if you're gonna be cutting, of course. And then I'm gonna cut the back as well. I'll be cutting that little front section as well as the little tail in the back that just sticks out for no reason. It probably is a reason, but I cut it. So now that is all done, the way I apply it is literally almost guaranteed every single time. Like I never have a problem with my lashes or applying them. So I don't use tweezers or anything. Some people prefer to use tweezers. Some use those beginner lash things where it's kind of curved. It's this little curve like this. I'll probably put a picture in here somewhere, and they just use that to grip the lash, especially when you're just learning how to. But I use my fingers. For me, I find it easier just to use my fingers. And also a little mirror you'll need. I'm going to be using the Fenty highlighter, but I'm just going to be using the mirror part of it, so just bear with me. Applying glue onto the band. You don't want too much, but you don't want too little either. And then you could just spread it with the tube of the bottle. Because this glue, once it's dry, you could easily just peel this off around. I usually wait I'll count to like 30. I'll blow on it and stuff. Like 30, 45 seconds. So I'm going to do that. It until the glue is tacky. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the mirror underneath of me like this so that I could see my eye, if that makes sense. So like it's gonna be like underneath where I can see my eye. And then what I'm gonna be doing is just directly, since you can see your eye, you'll be placing that right there, as close as the lash line as you could get to. And then you just want to fix it because it's tacky, but you can still move it around. And then what you want to do is you want to squeeze the lash and your actual eyelashes together. And voila. So the key is just having the mirror underneath of you. That way you could have exact placement on where you want to put it at. And then since the glue is tacky and not dry yet, you can still move it around and squeeze it together. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye as well. I now have both lashes applied to my eyes perfectly without any problems whatsoever. Just using that little mirror underneath method so you can see the exact placement of where you're putting the lash. And then afterwards, just fixing it a little bit and squeezing the lashes together. I successfully applied lashes perfectly. And now I'm just going to be applying some mascara. I'll be using the Mary Kay Lash Love Lengthening Mascara. And I'll be applying underneath here and also on my bottom lash line. Now that is all completed, say thank you everyone for watching this video. I have completely rebranded my whole channel, so I'm really going to be back with new content. I have a schedule and everything, and I know I say that every time, but now like I'm really serious. Like this whole summer is going to be uploads every single week, maybe twice a week, and it's going to be lit. It's going to be fun. I'm going to have a whole bunch of different things that I'm doing, so it's not just going to be makeup all the time. I'll be doing hair videos as well as vlogs, how-to videos, like DIY. So it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be fun. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you don't, then I don't care. But thank you everyone for watching.